Constable Jessica West is sorely missed today. So, Jessica West will long be remembered for her faithfulness and diligence, topped only by her enthusiasm with which she approached the work. It is for this reason her life is being celebrated today with full police honors. This means that this funeral service is accorded the highest level that a fallen officer could receive.
I love you in life, and I love you in death. You served in the Jamaica Constabulary Force for 3 years and 7 months, having enlisted on January 30, 2021. But your impact was tremendous. You have played your part in making Jamaica a better place to live, work, raise families, do business, and retire. The Area 3 FOG and the JCF will never be the same without you, but we pledge to continue where you have left off. We will honor your legacy by embodying the qualities you represented, and cherish your precious memories forever.
You know, if we could only just give a little more than we take, fix a little bit more than we break, I believe that the world would be completely different and so much better. If you stand up for those down on their knees, and lend a voice to those who cannot speak, if you shine a little light, give sight to the ones who lost their way.
Number 24672, Constable Jessica West.